If you're someone who loves crypto and of course you want to make big profit in this industry but are low on funds, well, I have the perfect platform for you. So in this video I will talk about a prop trading firm that allows user to trade cryptos with high leverage and big account sizes that can run up to millions of dollars. Yes, you can trade with large account sizes, make good profit and take out the maximum share out of that profit. Now, this video, I'll talk about the complete platform, complete details. So, if you're someone who's on the sideline who wanting to make good money, but again, like I said, low on funds, this is the video that you should watch. And of course, believe me, by the end of it, you will believe this is totally legit. It is a prop trading firm that allows user to trade with high margin and high equity, and of course, that can run or make your business grow like magic, and you can make profit like you have never made before. If you are good at trading, good at cryptos, this is the one that you should not miss. So with that, let's dive in. Let's talk about Hyrotrader, the prop trading firm that allows users to trade with high leverage and also with high account size. So let's dive in. Let's take you through the details and let's get started. So this is a platform that I'm talking about. It's called as Hyrotrader, and here you can trade with up to 200k capital, which is a big amount to actually make good profit. That's why I tell you, if you're good at trading, good at cryptos, you should definitely start prop trading. Give it a try, and who knows how much money you can mint from it. You can see here people minting a thousands of dollars. This particular person minted 88k in the month of December. That is a massive amount. So does these guys. And let me talk about the platform that I'm using. Then I will come back here and explain the details. Look at here. So this particular platform, which is your, Hiro Trader, is integrated with three particular platforms, which is here. One is your Bybit. You can see Bybit. Second is your Clio, and third is OKX. If you are in trading, you already know these kind of platform, Bybit, Clio, and OKX. Of course, OKX is coming this year. I personally use Clio Finance, but if you have a Bybit account, you can actually go ahead and start with Bybit. Now, to get started, let me show you first our platform. This is a platform that I'm using right now, and you can see my balance is $25,000 and my profit right now at $300. Now, with this, you can get a small idea that how big the profits can be if you are good at trading. And if you are still not good at it, if you want to learn it, well, I suggest clicking on the join button below and join my platinum membership, in which I can guide you how to get started with trading, how to make money, and how to generate profit that can be sustainable over a period of time. And of course, that will mint you a hell lot of money. Now, coming back, so this is my demo account. I also have a main account which is reserved for the platinum members. I share with them, and of course, then we move ahead and make good money. Now, go back down here. Now, all you need to do is click on the link in the description provided and use my referral code to get a discount. How? Just click on here, the get started. By the way, they have 4.8 rating on Google and 4.3 on Trustpilot. So clearly, they are totally legit. If you want to start with a trial, you can also start with a trial, free trial. But I suggest if you're good at trading, if you want to start with the real account. Click on get started. You can start with the challenge type, start with two-step challenge account, which is beneficial for a new beginners like you. If you haven't done prop trading before, even if you're expert, start with two-step. That will help you get started in the right direction. Of course, that is a must if you are not a pro yet. Then choose the trading capital. What kind of amount you want to begin trading in your account? Yes, you will see the amount right over here. Like I see $25,000. You will see the same amount depending upon which plan you buy. Let's say I buy $25,000. I have to pay $300, just $300, and I will be get started with the leverage of 1 is to 100, which means I can long or short with 100x leverage. Just like here, you can see here leverage area, and it can go as high as, even in this case, going as high as 100x. So clearly, you can actually do leverage trading with this type of account. Of course, there are some conditions to be met. Once you beat their challenge, once you met the expectation, this amount will be refunded and your challenge account will be converted into funding account. And once you trade it, you will get profits generated by you directly credited to your account in the form of stable coin. They are very transparent, very clear, so make sure to read all the details like I'm telling you. You can see here daily profit payout, They are paying daily with up to 70 to 90% profit as soon as you achieve at least $100 in profit, provided you follow their trading rules. And payout will be made in stable coins. That is the best part. You don't have to worry about any fluctuating token. They are paying you in stablecoin with the leverage like 1 to 100. You can scale your crypto trading account. Of course, over 2 million process payout already. And the best part is they are one of the top prop trading platform in this space. So this is the must for you if you want to start your journey, make money fast. Like I say, if you're good at something, do it even bigger. And this help you get started in the right direction. And if you seek any guidance, make sure to join my platinum and be part of the membership plan, and I will guide you how to get started. Of course, there are set of rules like this one. I will share this with you in the group and of course set you in the right direction. So click on the start challenge, choose the challenge that you want, make sure to click the link shared in the description to get the right discount. And once you do so, make the payment, use my coupon code shared in the description, get additional discount and get started. That will again set you in the right path and you will grow in the right direction. Use my code here, which is shared in the description, and of course, that's how you start. Click on apply, do the checkout, get the discount, and get started. Start making money, guys.